Okay, so in order to make the things in lesser time, in order to identify things in an easy way, in all these keeping in that consideration, they have sorted into groups. Okay, so like yes, we use variety of object in our day-to-day lives. Objects are made up of different materials. Based on the materials, also the things are sorted. Firstly, an object can be made from one material, more than one material. So, for example, here the cake can be baked by using different, like what I can say, different ingredients. Okay, but one single product is after getting the entire ingredients involved. And soap also, if we consider the soap consists of base or different ingredients. Okay, all these different ingredients, we got only a single product, that is soap. Understood? Yes? Now, just texted here, no need to on your audio. Just text. Okay. So we have already dealt with this concept in the previous session. Different objects be made from same material. For example, the raw material is wood. From the we get different materials like table, chair, even bed, study tables, different kinds of objects. And even furniture is made of wood. Single object, different kinds of, with single material, different kinds of objects can be made. This is one of the criteria. Next. An object can be made from same material. Same material. So with all these models and all this,
it's breaking a lot. It's breaking a lot.
Mom?
Ma'am has left the meeting.
Again.
Disconnected again.
Yeah. No, Mom's back.
Now is it okay, children?
Yeah, ma'am, it's okay.
Yeah.
It's perfectly fine now, Mom.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, an object can be made from the same material means when we have taken gold, especially when glass is made up of silica. Okay, so that means if we have taken plastic also, the plastic consists of polymers. Understood? So the monomers are keep on repeating. So the entire monomer is consists of only one kind of material. So it's a recurring type of monomer. So we'll get a big polymer chain. So plastics and even this glass shards and this gold bar, all this considered as different materials with same single kind of materials. Different objects with single kind of material is considered as this one of the criteria. Like 3 criteria we have discussed, children. As we have interrupting with this network issue, like please concentrate and cooperate with me. Okay, so here 3 main criteria we have discussed. A single object is obtained from different materials. Okay, single material is used to obtain different objects, and here an object can be made with same material. So the criteria we can observe that in this way also we can classify the out of the things. Single object things, many object things, one material and one object thing. Okay. So if we go in depth about the sorting of materials, the classification. When we observe the classification especially, classification mainly deals with two types in general. So to make the things in less time, to identify things where it is present. So in that case, classification is used to make the things, sort the things in easy way. First one, to help us organize things in such a way that it is easy to find them again. For example, when we go to the supermarket, we know that all veggies where it is available, all the fruits where are they available, and all the kinds of like snacks, household things, okay, and groceries, plastic materials, like utensils.
Ma'am, even in
yeah.
our houses, we keep it organized. Otherwise, we will not get the things which we have took now. We will not be able to take it again.
Yes. Yes. It's correct. So in such way, like if you have seen, if you have seen the kitchen, these things, when we observe the kitchen, you can observe the things, how neatly, how sortedly they'll be arranged. So whatever the items you want to take it from the kitchen, so you'll be an idea where they're present. And if you want to the veggies, you know that where they're present in the refrigerators, or especially if they're fresh, where it is available. So by making sorting the things within the instant way, we can easily identify. Understood? Yes, children? So it's like organizing things in such a way that it is easy to find them again and again. So previously, before this supermarkets and all these are development has taken place. Like previously, if we observe or if we ask the grocery shop, even now they are present nearby. So if we ask the things in the grocery shop, the person used to pick it up and he used to give you. Yes or no? But when we go to the supermarket, we ask know the things where are they present. So again and again it is easy to get things in easy way. So in such case, this classification is very much useful. So to make the things, to find the things in easy way within the less time. Understood, children?
Understood, ma'am.
Next. To allow the systematic study of things, and this is very, very important. And it is very, very important. So, you know, if you go to the higher classes, even when we study, so the things like animals are split into vertebrates and invertebrates, or living things and non-living things. Understood? So based on that, this classification we will learn. So especially from our textbook, we learn according to the chapter wise. Understood, children? According to the chapter wise, we learn. How we learn? We learn about vertebrates. Vertebrates means whole-blooded animals comes under vertebrates. Invertebrates means backbone, no backbone. In that classification, it is easy to understand the sorting, and some other examples I can give you. To make in the entire universe, in the environment, we can understand that what are the living things and what are the non-living things. If it is based on food chain, herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous. Understood? Grass-eating animals, flesh-eating animals. So in that way also, the systematic study, it is called a systematic study. When you study the food chain also, we'll go with the system, with the arrangement. Understood? Only we can understand the things. To make the things easy, this classification is a major role. And then the class is going well. I am in the class. Yeah, Anjali, can we-
Ma'am, your voice is cracking a lot.
yeah, I just,
Ma'am, are you there? Ma'am, your voice is cracking a lot. We cannot understand at all.
Anjali, Neha, Pragya, Ridhima, and Vamika is present. Okay, okay, thank you. And children, so systematic study of the things in the sense make things easy systematically to study in a systematic way. This classification is very much helpful. So easily, now is it cracking now?
No, ma'am.
Is,
No,
yeah,
ma'am.
okay. Yeah, okay.
Ma'am, can
So
I ask one thing?
here now, yeah,
Ma'am,
yeah.
that in the given figure in invertebrates, there is something in the last line called crystal, something like that. What is that? After spider?
Crustaceans.
Yeah, what?
Crustaceans, they comes under like scorpions. Scorpions.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, and in
Understood?
vertebrates, well, how reptiles will have vertebrae?
The vertebrates comes under boned animals and the other one is cold-blooded animals. So reptiles comes under blooded animals and we are warm-blooded people. Understood? Human beings are warm-blooded and even these are considered as warm-blooded.
Okay, ma'am.
Understood? But
Yes,
here
ma'am.
fishes are cold-blooded. Fishes are cold-blooded when we have observed the whales. Whales comes under warm-blooded.
Yeah, because they are mammals.
Yeah. Yeah. Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No. One is classification is easy to organize the things in easy way to get the things again and again. It is very much easy if we go with the classification or sorting the things. And the second one to allow the systematic study of things. So if we observe around us, we'll observe that so many things around us are non-living. Understood? So we know that it's like mutual development of non-living and living things. Yes?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. So classification, two criteria we have discussed now. We have
Yeah.
discussed two criteria.
Yes, ma'am.
One is to organize the things in such a way that it is easy to find them again and again. Example, we can give a supermarket and even medical, chemist shop. Okay. So whatever the drug, if we ask the person who is there in the shop, so department, so definitely within a fraction of minutes he'll go and get the medicine. So that means in such a way they'll organize the medicine in such a way that so again and again to pick them, it's very easy task. It doesn't take much time. Am I right? They won't search. By seeing your prescription, they'll go and get the medicine and they'll give you. Understood? So to make the things easy, the sorting of materials are very helpful. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Go to
Can
our
you please show me the second slide?
yeah, I'll show it. Yeah, I'll show it. So if we go to the school library, when we go to visit to the school library, we'll see that all comics are at one place. Am I right? All comics are at one place. All the science books are one place. Or encyclopedias are at one place. And papers will be at one place. Okay, like in that way, all dictionaries, so that it is easy to pick the books. So once we are habituated to that environment, okay, so it is easy to pick the things in easy way in again and again. So that's why we need to arrange the things in a proper manner so that where they are available, it is easy to us. And especially the systematic study is very much a thing. We can't remember all these organisms in the world or in the universe, but we can understand in what category they belong to. If we go with the classification, systematic class studies, then we can understand in which category they belong to.
Ma'am, one more advantage of this classification is helps in locating things, right?
Helps in locating
Things.
Yeah. Yeah. If you have seen that map also, at last, when you have seen that at last, what happened? You can see the rivers are given with different colors. Hills or mountain areas are given at different colors. We can observe it now. So by seeing the colors, once we identify the colors, we can easily pin it out of the area, which area belongs to. And what other things are present in it. And is that lake area or is that the flow, river is present, ocean is present. So in that way, we can easily sort out the places. Okay.